This here is a Whirlpool condensing furnace. It's 105,000 BTU. Telltale sign right here is the PVC pipe used to vent the flue gas. I actually found this documentation in a folder over here. Whirlpool called this the tight fist. So every pound of water vapor that condenses gives off about 1,000 BTUs. Nearly 10% of the heat in natural gas flue products is in the water vapor. And to recover this heat, this furnace has to condense. Well, a problem with condensation is that it's highly acidic and you really need to neutralize it. So at the bottom of this PVC pipe, this is where the condensation gathers, and it used to drain over into that copper pipe. And if you look closely at this copper pipe, you'll see what the acid did to it. It ate it away. So right now, it's being drained through this rubber hose over. I'll bring the light over here, over to here. And look what it's doing to this iron. There used to be a grate on top of here, and it actually ate right through the grate. The grate's gone. But you can see how it's just, that acid is just tearing this, eating this pipe up. And that's a problem, because that'll eat it up all the way underneath the foundation. And next thing you'll have to do is to tear up that foundation to repair it. Not a pretty thing. And when this furnace fires up, let's see if I can get it to fire up here. I'll flip this to the down here, turn this up. Alright. Okay, that fired up. Now watch how much water comes out of here. Look at this. See, it's quite a bit. So what we need to do is we need to neutralize, or put a neutralizer on there so that it neutralizes that acid and doesn't tear up the piping. So to make this condensate neutralizing tube, here's the parts that we need. We'll use this here PVC pipe here. That's only schedule 40. That's all we really need. And that's 15 inches. And the reason that I cut it 15 inches is because these PVC pipes, they come in 126 inch lengths, 10-foot lengths. And so if you divide 8 into 120, you'll get 15 inches. So you could make 8 of these if you wanted to, out of one length of pipe. And we're going to need this 3-inch plug right here. There's the UPC code. I believe that's a Home Depot UPC code. They may be the same for all of them, I don't know. We'll need this this piece here. 3-inch. Need a cap here. And of course we'll need some cleaner here and some PVC cement. Also, we're going to need, this is where this is actually going to connect in to the drain. Need 2 of those, and here's the part number for that. This is the watts. And right there it's a 1/2 inch inner diameter by 3/8 male pipe thread. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to tap into this PVC pipe at both ends here, so that we're going to have the acidic water run in here, flow through here, and then come back out on this end here and drain. This will be neutralized by the time it gets to the end, and this will be filled with marble chips, and that's what does the neutralizing. Basically an acid and a base coming together. So that's what I'm going to do. I think what I'm going to do first is drill the holes, tap them, and put these pieces in. I actually had gotten this at Harbor Freight, so it's got the correct taps that I need right there. It's kind of nice. It comes in this little box here. And let's see if we can focus in on what we're actually going to use here. Yes, made in China. We're going to use the 3/8 inch 18 national pipe thread. First I got to drill the holes, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, for this tap here, which is a 3/8 18 NPT, we are going to need a 37/64 drill size. Let's drop that 37 down to 36/64. And 36/64 is 9/16. So let's go with a 9/16 drill. Okay, there's 9/16. And yes, that will work. And we can put that right about here. Alright, let's do that right here. See how well this does. Okay, that's that. Okay, yeah, we should be able to tap in there now. Okay, excellent. Alright, I just want to tap this. Okay, that's tapped. I just got to clean it up a little bit. But yep, that goes in good. So we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, that's the other hole. Okay. Okay. And there's that piece, and then there's the output. So basically that's it. Well, that's all there is to it. I have the ends cemented on. Now, I just need to fill this up, take this cap off, fill this up with marble chips, and then attach this to the condensate drain and use these clamps. Actually, this may be a little too big. You can also use these here to attach the plastic pipe, plastic tubing. Now here's the marble chips I'm going to use. Just landscaping marble chips. They're pretty big, but they'll work. It's actually taking quite a bit. It's getting heavy. Let's see, how much does this bag weigh here? Let's see. Covers 3 square feet. Yeah, it doesn't really say. It just says 0.5 cubic feet. Okay, that should do it. Okay, I'm going to put that neutralizer right here. So I cut the tubing. It's let's see, yeah, 1/2 inch inner diameter. Okay, that's on. So that now runs out to the drain. Just now got to clean it up a little bit here, and that's it. That's all there is to making a neutralizer, condensate neutralizer. I put before I put this cap on, I put the pipe thread tape around here. Make sure we don't have any leak from here, and that's on tight. That's on good too. And we'll see how it does. I've had this neutralizer installed for a couple of weeks now, and it's performing really well. You know, there's no leaks. It's draining well. I just have it sitting on the floor. You can actually build a platform for it. But this is actually working very well. We can I can give it a call for heat, and you'll see how quickly this starts to release condensate. Out here is where it drains. See how fast it drains there. We can give it an acid test. Take a look at the acid using this, the acidic level. Okay. That's the right level. Now we just need 5 drops of the phenol red. One, two, 3, 4, 5. All right. Let's see how that looks. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to tell in this lighting or not. Let me shake this up well. Let's see. Oh, maybe we can. So there it is. There's the reading that we're getting. Of course, the lower the number, the more acidic it is. And you can see we're ideal there, 7.4. So it's done pretty well. The neutralizer is definitely doing its job.